Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find or how to change the name of a channel on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now, all we will be needing to do is to simply find the channel that we want to manage. That means we need just to search for our channel that we want to change its name. And to do so, we can simply click on more. And from here, we will be able to see this pop-up menu. And then we need just to click on channels. Now, by clicking on channels, you will be able to start filtering from the channels so you can find the channel that you want to change. For example, let's just click on the projects channel. And from here, we will be able to click on it or like to click on the channel name and then it will get you the details. And from here, you will find channel name. Then you will be able to click on edit or you can simply click on the channel name and from here you can change it. Now let's just save the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the name of the channel. But note that you will be needing to be an administrator or the owner of this channel, or at least you have the permission to start changing or updating this channel. And the same would be for all the elements of channel. And as you can see, it is already managed by me. And that's why I'm able to update all the information of this channel. And you can also like add permissions like from here. So as you can see, you can choose whatever the permissions that you would like and etc. So now let's just go up to about again. And from here, as I said, we will be able to change anything from this channel, like the topic, description, and you can also add members or moderators for this channel. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.